We always thought there could be a little more light balance in the living room. So it was obvious for us to look at possibilities to get that. It's the room that connects all the family members. And now we can just be down here even in the evening time without electrical light, because there's so much light coming in from above. You cannot imagine the joy of coming home to a living room that used to be a little bit dark, to come home now, even though it's the evening, you can have the volume of brightness is just, it's very, very nice. And I'll just say, go ahead, do it, because the result is just overwhelming.